And the Supreme Court still canceled the candidacy of a candidate after the elections. That big question and more with Atty. Domingo Cayosa, former president of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines. Atty. Cayosa, welcome to the big story.
Good evening, Gretchen, and magandang gabi sa nanonood at nakikinig sa inyo.
Good evening, attorney. All right, votes have been cast now. Is it still possible for the Supreme Court to cancel the candidacy of a candidate at this point?
Yes, it is still possible. It is within the power of the Supreme Court to review decisions of lower bodies, including the COMELEC.
Okay, with that said, do they need to have this resolved prior to the oath-taking? Ano po ba yung mga timelines natin?
Well, under the Constitution, the Supreme Court is given 2 years from the submission of the last pleading to decide a case, which is an awfully long period of time. However, this is about the qualification of a high-ranking or the highest-ranking political leader of the country. So it would be much better if the Supreme Court can act on the petition with dispatch much earlier, hopefully before the proclamation or the canvassing and the proclamation by Congress.
Now, should this petition be successful, who exactly will replace President-elect Marcos?
The President-elect Vice President will act as President temporarily until the President is qualified or is chosen. That's under Article 7, Section 7 of our 1986 Constitution.
Okay, what do you mean by temporarily?
The Vice President will act as President while waiting for the declaration of the President-elect or qualification of that President-elect. So
Okay,
hindi as President siya acting. Those are the words used by the Constitution.
And temporarily meaning parang yung papalit po ba pagka na-resolve na yung issue, yung second placer sa candidates for president, is that right? Am I getting it right?
Yes, under existing jurisprudence, the latest jurisprudence is that if the front runner in any electoral contest is disqualified or he did not qualify as a candidate, then his candidacy is void ab initio. So sayang lang yung boto ng mga bumoto sa kanya. Then the next question is, sino ngayon ang may proclaim na leader? Based on the more recent rulings of the Supreme Court, ang sinasabi ng Supreme Court, in that case, the candidate with the second highest number of votes, because nga, walang saysay naman yung kandidatura ng front-runner. So it will be hindi yan magkakaroon ng special election.
Okay, Atty. Cayosa, these cases have been junked by the COMELEC. Now, they're brought to the Supreme Court. May nagbago po ba dun sa petition?
Well, as far as I've read what is circulated as a copy of the petition, it's basically the same. So these are questions of law, interpretations of provisions of the Constitution and the various laws cited. So it should be much easier for the Supreme Court to rule on it, because this is not a new issue. This has been discussed. These issues and controversies have been discussed much earlier than the election campaign period. So malamang pinag-iisipan na rin yan ng mga justices. So we hope and we pray that they can quickly rule on the merits of the petition.
All right,
Ang
maraming.
mukhang dinagdag nila recently, if I recall right, is linabas nila yung unpaid taxes, which I think were not included in the original issues.
All right, maraming salamat. Thank you for giving us a rundown and clarifying the whole issue. We'll definitely stay tuned to that. That was Atty. Cayosa, former IBP president.